Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject maths. Students, previous video we have learned properties of subtraction, properties of division and properties of addition. Now we will learn properties of multiplication. Closure property. If we multiply any two whole numbers, product is also a whole number. Suppose that a and b are whole numbers. A multiplied by b equal to c. The product of a and b is also a whole number. Means c is also a whole number. Now for example 3 multiplied by 4. 3 and 4 are whole numbers and their product 12 is also a whole number. Commutative property. If we can multiply the numbers in any order and the product remains same. Commutative property means what? Order. We are changing the order. Suppose that a and b are whole numbers. A multiplied by b equal to b multiplied by a. For example, 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 4, what is the answer? 12. And 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Means we change the order of numbers, then also answer is same. Now properties of multiplication. Associative property. If we can group the numbers in different ways and product will be the same. Suppose that a, b and c are whole numbers. In bracket a multiplied by b, bracket close, then multiplied by c equal to a multiplied by in bracket b multiplied by c. For example 3 multiplied by 4 in bracket multiplied by 5 and then equal to 3 multiplied by in bracket 4 multiplied by 5 means we change the group. First bracket first two numbers and right hand side we can group the last two numbers. 3 multiplied by 4, 12 multiplied by 5 and now 4 5s are 20. 60 equal to 60. So students, our answer remains same. Identity property. If we multiply any whole number by 1, the answer is the number itself. A multiplied by 1 equal to a. 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. Now distributive property of multiplication over addition. A multiplication fact can be broken into sum of two other multiplication facts. A multiplied by b plus c means a multiplied by b and a multiplied by c also equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Here also 4 multiplied by in bracket 5 plus 7 equal to 4 is multiplied by 5 also and 4 is multiplied by 7 also. Means 4 is multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 7. This is the distributive property. Both the answer remains same. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 4 multiplied by 12. And here 4 5s are 20 plus 4 7s are 28. What is the answer? 48 equal to 48. Now distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Multiplying a number by the difference gives the same result as the difference of the product of the number with each them. Means a multiplied by b minus c, a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. The answer remains same. For example 4 multiplied by in bracket 7 minus 5 equal to 4 is multiplied by 7 also and 4 multiplied by 5 also. So 4 multiplied by 7 minus 5, 2. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. And here 4 multiplied by 7, 28. minus 20. What is the answer? 8. 8 equal to 8. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now we learn all properties. So solve this matched pair. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 plus 0 plus 0. 0 is the additive identity. So 3 plus 0 equal to 3 means which property it is? Identity of addition. Five plus in bracket 4 plus 16 equal to, we change the group, 5 plus 4 plus in bracket plus 16. Now here grouping them means what? This is the associative property. Now 28 multiplied by in bracket 25 minus 151 bracket close. This 28 multiplied by 25 and 28 multiplied by 151. So 28 multiplied by 25 and 28 multiplied by 151. And here sign is subtraction. So distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now 738 multiplied by 1. Any number is multiplied by 1. The answer is the number itself. Which property it is? Identity of multiplication. Multiplicative identity. Now 83 multiplied by 21 and now reverse order 21 multiplied by 83. Means we change the order. So which property it is? Commutative property. Understood, students? How to identify the properties? Now see, fill in the blanks. 879 multiplied by 56 equal to 56 multiplied by. Suppose that A and 879 is A and B. A multiplied by B equal to B multiplied by A. What? We change the order. Means commutative property 879. 87 multiplied by 19. 19 multiplied by in bracket 80 plus which number is coming here? The answer is 87. 7. 37 multiplied by 19 equal to 37 multiplied by 10 plus 37 multiplied by 5 plus 37 multiplied by which number? The answer we want 19. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Now 76 multiplied by 88. How to write 88? 90 minus 2. 76 multiplied by 90 minus 76 multiplied by 2. What number should replace each n? Now 7 multiplied by 4 in bracket plus in bracket n multiplied by 3. We want to take out the value of n. 7 multiplied by in bracket 4 plus 3. 7 multiplied by first 4. 7 multiplied by 4. Then 7 multiplied by 3. So what is the value of n? N is 7. Because 7 is multiplied by 4 also. 7 is multiplied by 3 also. Okay, students? Now recap. Properties of multiplication. What we learned today? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property and identity property of multiplication. So, closure property. If A and B are whole numbers, then their product also a whole number. Commutative property. We change the order of numbers. The product remains same. Associative property. We can group them. Suppose that A and B and C are whole numbers. Then A plus B in bracket A multiplied by B in bracket and bracket close multiplied by C equal to A multiplied by, in bracket B multiplied by C, means we change the group of orders, then also the product will be same. Distributive property. Distributive property, suppose that A and B are whole numbers. So A multiplied by B plus C. So A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, means we distribute the number. So that's why the products also same. Identity property. Identity property means if we multiply any whole number by 1, the answer remains same. The answer, the number itself. So A multiplied by 1 equal to A. Understood, students? I hope you understand this topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.